Now this figure 19-8B deals with the disconnecting means for an AC unit. Now notice this air conditioner, this AC unit, the disconnect at the wall has to be within 50-foot bird's eye view as well as route of travel. Now this is in accordance with the definition of insight, within sight, and so forth in Article 100 of the NEC. But 440.14 deals with the disconnect location for an AC unit. 440.12a deals with sizing the disconnecting means to disconnect the AC unit under a running current and lock rotor current. Now, the exception 1 to 440.14 reviewed in the previous illustration showed an industrial site compressor in the location of the disconnect where it could be located. But now, notice again, I highly recommend that you review 110.16 of the code, 110.21 of the code, 110.24 of the code, as well as 110.26 of the code. And don't forget to review now 130.5H of NFPA 70E, and you will get your labeling right and your identification and so forth right on your disconnecting means. But this illustration 19-8B is just illustrating where the disconnecting means would have to be located in its relationship to the AC unit in accordance with NEC 440.14.